Hey everyone, it's Maddie with LiftedTrucks.com. This month's featured truck is a custom-built 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor 4x4. This truck is not your typical F-150. The 2021 Raptor won 4-Wheeler's Pickup Truck of the Year award, and this one is extra badass. It features Fox Racing live valve dampeners, external lining by Rigid, BFG all-terrain tires, and a multitude of accessories from our friends at Addictive Desert Designs, including custom 17-inch wheels, rock slider steps, a shock-mounted rack, bed-mounted spare tires and wheels, a sprayed in-bed liner, and much more. Now with locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 850 trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this truck or any others, log on to LiftedTrucks.com. That's LiftedTrucks.com.